Welcome to this session in our ServiceNow item series. Today, we are taking a closer look at hardware asset management or HAM, focusing on how ServiceNow enables you to effectively or efficiently manage the life cycle of physical IT assets from onboarding to disposal. HAM administration in ServiceNow. Let's begin with HAM administration, the core of managing physical IT assets at scale. In ServiceNow, HAM allows you to set structure governance across your assets based by defining asset class like desktop, server, mobile devices, and more based on business needs. Applying lifecycle rules that automate transitions like request, in use, in repair, or retired. Assigning clear roles and responsibilities, ensuring only authorized user can update, assign, or retire assets. Linking assets to configuration management database through CI mapping, bridging the gap between operations and inventory. The administrative foundation sets the stage for full visibility and control throughout the asset journey. Normalizing and refreshing aged hardware. One of the major challenges in HAM is dealing with aging and inconsistent asset data. ServiceNow helps normalize and manage hardware health by running asset age checks so outdated equipment can be flagged automatically, triggering auto refresh workflows where aged devices are scheduled for replacement based on life cycle thresholds, integrating with warranty database to notify when assets are near end of support or coverage, and assisting with budget planning by forecasting hardware refresh cycles across departments and fiscal years. This helps eliminate surprise failures, reduce downtime, and keeps your fleet modern and compliant. Creating and managing disposal orders. Eventually, every piece of hardware reaches to the end of its useful life, and that's where disposal workflows come in. ServiceNow HAM streamlines this process by enabling disposal requests to be created and tracked with just a few clicks, maintaining recycling logs for e-waste and environmentally sensitive disposal, managing the chain of custody so you know how exactly where an asset is even during pickup, transit, and third party handling, and overseeing approval tracking, ensuring disposal orders go through proper reviews before final execution. These steps ensures your disposal process in auditable, compliant, and environmentally responsible. So let's explore HAM on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if you want to open the hardware assets, alright, hardware here, and under the assets, here's the hardware assets, and the backend name of this table is ALM underscore hardware. So this table contain all the hardware data, hardware assets. Like if we open one, then it shows all the information of that asset, like the display name, its model category, and its model, its configuration item. Then in general you can see that This is the asset tag, and it states there are different states here, and assigned to this hardware asset is assigned to this user, managed by, owned by, their class, serial number of that asset, and the location, the company, each and everything mentioned here. So you can monitor all the stuff here. It also contains the financial tabs which shows its cost and its disposal, and there are different type of information is available here. So you can monitor all the information related to any hardware in a single go. RMA request submission and closure. What happens when an hardware asset needs to be returned to the vendor? ServiceNow handles the return merchandise authorization or RMA process eff- efficiently. It checks for return eligibility based on warranty, vendor terms, and asset condition. A case is automatically created in the system with asset and vendor details pre-filled. The request follows the vendor specific return process, including shipment tracking or exchange steps. Once completed, a closure report is generated and linked back to the asset record for compliance and documentation. This keeps your asset return process organized, timely, and fully traceable, preventing financial and operational leakage. Let's wrap up with a quick overview. HAM administrations provide structure through asset classes, roles, and lifecycle rules. Normalization and refresh keep your fleet updated, com- compliant, and financially aligned. Disposal management ensure proper tracking, recycling, and approvals, and the RMA process makes hardware return smooth, auditable, and vendor compliant. ServiceNow gives you the tools to manage the complete lifecycle of physical assets accurately, efficiently, and at scale. In our next session, we will look into the core item processes that tie everything together, from planning to maintenance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow along as we continue our journey through IT asset management with ServiceNow.